Wednesday, January 4th. All of the supports have been put in, so it's very solid all the way through. I used some spare pieces to make a ramp, or start making a ramp. I still have I have one more piece to put on the end, and I've got to pick up another box of screws to lock in the last few pieces, but it should be fine. It's pretty solid. So the ATV bridge is complete. Only thing really left is to cut this tree down and get it out of the way, and I really don't feel like cutting it down today. This tree, like some of the others, is a very heavy tree. It looks small. It's easy to cut down, but when it falls, it's very heavy. When you cut the small pieces, or the pieces that are the trunk parts, they're very heavy. So we're going to pass on that today and probably ride through here a couple times before I take it in for the day. But another productive day, good weather. It drizzled today for about 5-10 minutes, and that was it. So nothing major. That's it for today. I don't think I recorded going over the bridge initially yesterday, so I'll do a quick recording to show riding over the actual bridge. Here goes. Very solid.